Okay, this is what a couple glasses of Jack will do to you. Springtime.
Don't forget to yell 4.
4. Oh, it's right there.
He missed the ball. Excellent.
It's right there.
He's not a very good golfer.
Damn it. It won't go anywhere.
Oh, your skirt's blowing up in the back, honey.
Trying to get out of a sand trap.
Are you using your pitching wedge?
Got it that time.
I was going to say, I heard it. But it went backwards?
No, that's another ball.
Oh, okay.
This is a good shot.
Okay. 4.
Got them both out.
Ta-da!
To Jack.
To Jack.
Aye.